I've got some exciting things to talk about today. I haven't done much with my wood channel lately because I've been making music videos for my music channel. And that channel, I've been a gospel singer for about 20 years, but I did a lot of secular music back in my earlier years. And my music channel is a gospel channel. And the secular music it doesn't, it's just not right to put it on that channel because I want to keep that mood in a spiritual mode, which is the way it should be. But what I've decided to do with this channel, I'm going to change it from my adventures in woodworking, which it will stay that, but I'm going to add music to it too, adventures in woodworking and music. And that way I can put my secular music on this channel as well as my woodworking, because music is my main squeeze. Woodworking is my mistress. So, you know, music is always going to take advantage. I'm going to always be a music man. But the exciting thing I want to talk about today is I've been moved up to North Carolina for about 5 or 6 years now. But my studio is still back in Covington, Georgia, which is 130 something miles away. And it's just too big in the first place. I don't take outside projects anymore. So I just don't, I'll never need to record a set of drums anymore or stuff like that. I won't need isolation booths and that sort of thing. So what you see here is the beginning of me building a little project studio up here next to my house in the mountains. What a beautiful setting. I probably don't have the angle of the lens set where you can see all of this, but I'm going to show you. Anyway, I'm standing in what will be the doorway of the studio. What I have done, I've recorded and videoed most, if not all, of my building up to this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a series out of that, put that on my wood channel, and you'll get to watch me build this studio from start to finish. And as you can see, I'm already a good ways into it, but I did that on purpose because I don't get to work on it every day. And I didn't want to get started and then it'd be sometimes, there's been a couple of times it's been 2 weeks between being able to build. Well, when I say day one, I'm talking about day one of building, not day one of the process. So if you see day one, day two, day three, day four, which is probably what I'll do, there might be days in between that. There might be a week in between that. But I wanted to get enough footage so that I could keep it going and keep it coming so that you don't get bored with it. But those of you that want to follow and watch me do this, when I get through, I'm going to have a neat little video editing suite here. And this is what I'm going to spend the rest of my life doing, is making wood videos and music videos. But I've got those secular songs that I recorded. I did a couple of CDs back 30 years ago. And I'm going to take those, I'm going to make some videos out of those, and they'll appear on this channel. For those of you that like gospel music, go to Bird Yeoman's, my channel, my music channel, and you can see all my gospel videos there. There's quite a few of them. But this is just, it's an exciting time to be able to do this. And I'm hoping to get this finished in the next 2 or 3 months. I may be dreaming. I've dreamed before, but you got to dream it before you can realize it. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start putting these videos together so you can watch our progress. But I just wanted to let you know what's been happening and why you haven't been seeing any wood videos lately. I've just been so busy with this and the music channel. Now I'm going to get back to doing some wood stuff and mainly building the studio. So if you want to follow along this and you're not already subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out that takes you through this process. My Bella helps me with all of this, by the way. My sweet girl.